Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Hazet wheel hub grinder. Here you can see the wheel hub. The tires are disassembled or removed. And then you can see the disc of the brake system with the wheel hub. And there are rust, there are dirt, etc. And this product is really awesome to remove this easily, as you can see in this slow motion. The wheel hub grinder is so awesome. I like it so much. You can use it on the front wheel hub and on the rear wheel hub, no problem. But you cannot use it if you have bolts which are connected with the wheel hub itself. Then you cannot use it. You can only use it if there are bolt or screw holes in the wheel hub itself. Quick and easy removal of rust and dirt from contact surfaces of wheel hubs and brake discs with the wheel bolt support. Prevents the falsifications of the wheel. Bolt lightning torque originated by corrosion. For passengers, car wheels have up to 160 millimeter range. This is the standard thing. It matches to my Audis. It matches to my Smart 42. It matches to my Vauxhall Corsa, etc. 160 millimeter is the standard thing. The inner diameter is 75 millimeter. The rotation speed, take care of it, is maximum 500 rounds per minute. Because this tool is not driven by itself. You have to use it by using it with a screwdriver, with an angle grinder, for example. But do not speed it over 500 rounds per minute because of this wheel hub grinder surface will go away then. And here you can see how to get the pad on the wheel hub grinder easily. Yeah, here you can see. Now we are going to use this automatic device here. Yeah, so get it in it, open it on the front side. Yeah, here we are. And now let's have a test with this wheel hub grinder. So lock it to your machine, job's done. Then go to drilling setup, and we are going to start to clean and remove all of the rust and dirt from the contact surface of the wheel hubs, like here. It's really easy and it's so awesome, and you will see the wheel hub is, after using this, awesome. It is like new, and you can better connect your tires, connect your rims on it. Maybe you have to lock the wheel hub with your hands. This is enough, because you will going to rotate the wheel hub grinder over the surface, and then it's no problem to remove the rust and the dirt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. And now you can see it's really easy, and now you can see what it holds. Yeah, awesome. This is a good surface for new rips. Soon.